Tonight we are cooking beer-soaked potatoes in tin foil on the grill. Alright, so once you've got everything prepped and ready to go, you're waiting for your grill to get up to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're going to set that tinfoil plume on top of your grill grates. You can see right there, we're going to go over the direct fire and let that sit there for probably about 30 minutes, and we want those potatoes to get nice and mushy. Alright, now that we've got our grill up to temp, we're going to put those potatoes on. Right in the middle like that. We're going to set a timer for 30 minutes. Alright, so 30 minutes of grilling has passed, and now we're just going to poke around in there and see what these potatoes are like. And you can see it's just bubbling, but they're still a bit hard. So I'm going to let those sit. I think I'm going to do another 15 minutes in there. We'll do them just fine. So after 45 minutes cooking, yeah, these are feeling really nice now. Breaking apart nice, they're ready to come off the grill. All right, everything has turned out really well. The potatoes look nice and cooked. A little bit of steak. These potatoes make for an excellent side with steak or pork chops or whatever you want. So all I did was put the potatoes, cut them up, added butter, garlic salt, onion, put them in the tin foil and put them on the barbecue.